Hi everyone, this is Burak from Trading Channels. It's 22nd of September 2019 and it's the weekend update. As usual, we will start with S&P 500, the ES mini contract. I'm sorry, this is Dow Jones. Let's go to S&P 500. Friday's action was somewhat bearish at the close because the blue channel, which had 4 touches on both sides and very nice internal supports, is broken. And this is the action which we saw on Friday. What I'm expecting is on Monday, we will get to the black bottom band. The black channel you can see has 4 touches on on both sides, and we'll get to the black bottom band and bounce to backtest the broken blue channel. This support is at 2,980. And if we get a bounce, it will probably backtest going above 3,000 again. But afterwards, and the red support is the red support, the black bottom band, and the long-term golden supports, all pointing out to that support. And we will get a bounce. And afterwards, if we get a sell-off to here, then, breaking all these supports, it will probably trigger another massive sell-off, which would be a nice short entry, obviously. And if you want, you can also short the back test of the blue channel. Yeah. And Dow Jones, the green support from all the way from August. This is the support, and we can see it is a nice definition. The blue channel has only 1 touch at its bottom band, and we may get a bounce right from here all the way to the top and to make a new high. And then afterwards, if the green and blue channels or the supports break, then we will probably see another sell-off. It may be similar to the one at the end of July, beginning of August, maybe this one. That's why bulls have to defend this blue channel. And if they do really defend, it may go all the way to 28,000. But for now, considering S&P and NASDAQ, and this is the NASDAQ channel, and this is particularly bearish as well. The reason is the broken green channel, and it's now forcing the red support, which already had 3 touches. You can see, and the 4th touch is happening on Friday. And then from here, we may see a sell-off to backtest the golden broken top band. And you can see the golden broken top band, which was backtested already once here, and now we may get another backtest, and then the bounce may backtest the red one, and then afterwards we will see maybe a sell-off to here. The immediate support, in fact, may be the black bottom band as well. So these are the very precarious levels, and the reason is that there is a fight between bulls and bears, and at the moment bulls are winning, but I think it's not a very convincing win. That is because of all of these not really big rally but super choppy action since the beginning of August. So there is some indecision, and the chop may keep going, and one of those supports would be golden and black supports, and that's why it is kind of different nowadays to find a clear trend. So we have to watch the close or short-term support levels and the resistance levels. The Russell 2000 gave the best or the most cleanest bearish reversal, which was the blue channel's top band that we have been watching for quite some time. And that reversal, and that is like a double touch on that blue top band. And now the action on Friday was the backtest of the green internal resistance. So you can see the green channel. The green channel has 2 touches on the top and 2 touches on the bottom, a nice internal resistance and support action. So resistance, another one, and now it was broken, back tested, kept on going, and you can see there's some support here, and now that support is broken and back tested. So here and there and coming down, and now the back test on the golden top band is happening. And the golden top band just happened here. You can see the bounce on Friday, but the real channel, which was captured at the red top band on Friday, and that's what I tweeted, is if the red top band holds here together with the green, we will see another sell-off. And that's exactly what happened. And I'm thinking the red channel will keep holding, and the golden support may break down, and Russell may drop to the green bottom band, this here, and then bounce here. So that will be a double support. You can see the red and the green support becoming here, but it would be a very steep sell-off. So we have to watch all of these levels. So the green, the red bottom band, and the red channel are the ones to watch at the moment. On FTSE, the green sideways channel looked like a bull flag, but it's a struggle. It's not going anywhere. In the last 2 weeks, the blue channel is holding. You can see the blue channel is holding the top 2 and the bottom 2 touches, and the golden channel is only a speculative channel at the moment. So if the blue channel breaks and the green one breaks too, I would expect maybe the golden bottom band to hold and action like this if the golden bottom band holds. But if it doesn't, then we may see another sharp sell-off after breaking the green bottom band, because the green channel is a bull flag. But if it fails, then the sell-off may be quite steep. And on DAX, the green channel is now breaking down. The red one is the one to watch. The breakout from the blue bull flag was obviously quite bullish, and now it's getting the second back test on that bull flag, but the green channel is breaking down. So I'm not sure. I mean, Monday's action, it will be very, very important. Either we will see a bounce and keep going from the blue channel, or we see a drop to the red bottom band, and then we'll see if it holds and keeps DAX going upwards. And if the red channel breaks completely, and that is a very, very well-defined channel, you can see the bottom band. If we extend it, it's really a nice channel with 2 touches on the bottom band, and we may see a breakdown. That will be a short entry. For now, the trend is up. On Euro, well, basically nothing really ever happens here. The golden support, which has 4 touches, that is the most important one. 1 touch, 2, 3 and the 4th was the recent low at Draghi's speech. And if we get another touch, which may break it down, and then euro would probably sink to 105 quite rapidly, unless we see a rally to break the red top band. And in fact, we have the green resistance here, and that is what we have to watch. This spike was all about news triggering, and for now the green resistance I think is still holding. So the chart goes on euro. On pound, the red we have to watch the golden speculative channel to the upside, and the blue supports, the double supports, they are still keeping going. Yeah, so we have to watch them quite carefully. But the break of the red channel, it was already bullish, and the after the bounce of the green bottom band, you can see the green bottom band had 4 touches, and the 4th touch delivered this massive bounce. On Aussie dollar, I'm not very convinced about the upside. I mean, like a bottoming action, because the trend, looking at the green channel, or it's not a channel, but like a structure which broke down. You can see the 2 touches here and another 2 touches there, and the 3rd touch on Friday pierced it. The black bottom band is speculative support at the moment. And if we see a good bounce from there, then Aussie may keep rallying to break and going all the way to the black top band. But that will make the black channel a nice big bear flag, right? So unless the rally breaks the golden resistance, 1, 2, 3 touches, unless that kind of bounce can break the golden resistance and the blue resistance, you can see the blue resistance here, then I think Aussie dollar has more downside. But for now, because it's quite oversold, we are seeing these bounces without seeing a real rally. On Kiwi, the red bottom band is holding, but it's getting touch, and it actually got the 3rd touch on Friday's low, and this is here, and we will probably maybe see a bounce to the golden top band, and then from there we have to watch. I mean, if this thing can happen, then we'll see more downside. Otherwise, if we see an action to touch there and then come back down and then break the golden channel, then we may see an action to backtest the broken green bear flag. That was a mega bear flag, which you will see here. So it was a really big bear flag stemming from 2015. So if you look at the daily chart, yeah, the green bottom band was tested 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and the recent action broke it to the downside, and we may get a backtest on that one around just above 0.65, and from there on I would expect some more downside all the way here. For now we have to watch. And oil, the gap is still there. The gap is not filled, but I think we may see a bit more downside depending on the news from Saudi Arabia. The golden channel's bottom band may hold, and we may see a bounce here. But then after that, if it wants to fill the gap, this is the huge gap. we may see more downside action. On natgas, the blue top band held at the recent high, but the golden long-term support is holding for now, and the red bottom band may be holding as well. So for now, I'm now just watching, and if the red bottom band holds, we may see another bounce here, but unless the blue top band breaks, we will probably see this kind of action coming all the way down again. Gold, the red internal support is holding at the last 4 touches. First one here, and then you can see 3 more here, and this one here, 5 touches. And parallel to the red, we may see a jump to 1525 this week, next week, and then from there I expect more bearish to 1450. And similar to silver, the green channel was broken, which was like a perfect channel. You can see the top band, the bottom band had like 6-7 touches, and it got broken. The blue internal resistance is holding still with 2 touches, and if the golden top band holds, then we'll probably see more downside to the red bottom band and the golden bottom band. That's all, folks. I hope you like it. To subscribe these posts at the end, this is what I do every night for subscribers. Just have a look at the website, and if you like the material, feel free to subscribe. All right, have a good rest of the weekend. Bye bye.